Sometimes things feel hard, but I am not alone. If it's hard, I can say, please help me, that's okay. I can ask, I can try, someone's there, right nearby. Try my best, give it a go. If I need help, I will show. Raise my hand, speak up clear, someone kind is always near. If it's hard, I can say, please help me, that's okay. I feel stuck, that's alright. I can ask with all my might. Look around, find a friend, help is there in the end. Say it loud, help me please. Take a breath, feel at ease. Try again, you will see, help is here for you and me. I can ask,